Certainly. The Kawasaki ER-6n is a popular motorcycle known for its versatility, performance, and practicality. Here's a detailed analysis. Design and aesthetics. The ER-6n features a naked bike design, characterized by its exposed frame and minimalist fairings, giving it a sleek and modern appearance. Its aggressive stance, sharp lines, and muscular fuel tank contribute to its sporty look, appealing to riders who value both style and function. Engine and performance. Powered by a liquid-cooled, 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the ER-6n delivers smooth power delivery and ample torque across the rev range. With its responsive throttle and nimble handling, it offers an engaging riding experience suitable for both urban commuting and spirited weekend rides. The engine's mid-range torque makes it well suited for city riding, while still providing enough power for highway cruising. Handling and ride comfort. Equipped with a lightweight chassis and a balanced suspension setup, the ER-6n offers agile handling and confidence-inspiring maneuverability. Its upright riding position and comfortable seat make it suitable for long rides, while the adjustable rear suspension allows riders to tailor the ride quality to their preferences. Whether navigating city streets or tackling winding roads, the ER-6n offers a stable and enjoyable ride. Technology and features. While not as feature-rich as some of its competitors, the ER-6n includes essential amenities such as a digital instrument cluster, fuel injection, and optional ABS for enhanced safety. Its straightforward design prioritizes functionality, with easy-to-read displays and intuitive controls. Customization and aftermarket support. The ER-6n benefits from a robust aftermarket ecosystem, with a wide range of accessories and customization options available to riders. From performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements, owners can personalize their bikes to suit their preferences and riding style. Value and affordability. One of the ER-6n's standout attributes is its value proposition. Offering a compelling combination of performance, versatility, and affordability, it appeals to riders seeking a capable all-around motorcycle without breaking the bank. Its competitive price point and low maintenance costs make it an attractive option for riders on a budget. In summary, the Kawasaki ER-6n is a versatile and practical motorcycle that excels in urban commuting, weekend rides, and everything in between. With its stylish design, responsive engine, agile handling, and affordable price tag, it continues to be a popular choice among riders looking for a reliable and enjoyable riding experience.
Subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos.